a story about a big boy and a girl. They were so different, but they were made for each other. Welcome to life. They cannot speak 'cause they don't know each other yet. I hope the destiny will put them on the right place. Welcome to life. Buildings in Manhattan. Welcome to life. Jonathan and Emily will say welcome to life. Jonathan and Emily will welcome to life. Welcome to feelings. Everything is beautiful when we talk about life. Welcome to life. Welcome to feelings. Everything is beautiful when we talk about life. Welcome to life. Welcome to life. They fell in love near the ocean and the sea. Now they see that they will get married in Las Vegas. Welcome to life. Welcome to life.